Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky fresh. My mind so melodic, this beat goes like in my chest. Everybody, modern pop became the party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you. Don't stop, don't stop. Everybody get on the floor, break the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see you. Don't stop, I love it when you don't stop. Everybody, don't stop. We about to.
So if you've been watching my channel, you know that I love WLmouse, I love the Beast X, and their products are just so high quality. Their mice are just perfect to me. Like, I've had no bad experiences with them so far. I have the Beast X Mini, Beast X Regular, and the Beast X Max, because I just love the Beast X series that much. And recently, WLmouse came out with the Beast X Pro Edition, which is, I guess, WLmouse's version of the Final Mouse competition, because they give you the option to have solid sides. So you know me, I'm a Beast X lover. I had to get this because nobody really wants a cheese grater on the side of their mouse. So yeah, I had to try it out for myself, and I can safely say that I think WLmouse has really perfected the Beast X. I really don't think there's many mice out there that I'd recommend over a Beast X. I think it's been my go-to recommendation for probably a year now, since the first Beast X came out. This is still the first Beast X that I've ever gotten when it first came out, and it works perfectly fine. But yeah, now they have the Pro Edition, and it's everything I ever wanted in my original Beast X. Yeah, there's not much to say other than WLmouse just gets things done. Like, they perfected the ULX competition. I think one problem I had with my original Beast X Mini with the holes on the sides were the size of the holes and the position of them. I think naturally where I gripped on the mouse, my thumb just kept going into the hole, because I think it's the same size. I think the slits are the same size on the Beast X Mini compared to like the Beast X. So yeah, for the size of the mouse, it had bigger slits than it should have. So yeah, I think my thumb just kept going into them. But now, because they have the Pro Edition with the solid sides, I had to get the Mini in the Pro, and I've just been using this mouse ever since. It's crazy how good this mouse feels. And even the skates, I always loved WLmouse's dot skates. They just feel so smooth. And I'm on the Artisan Type 99 right now, and it just glides so perfectly. It's a perfect mix between control and speed. Of course, they provide you with a whole bunch of other skates too, but I wouldn't switch off the dots until they break or something, because yeah, there's just really no need to, in my opinion. So in the box, you get cool photo, a carrying case with your mouse inside, extra grip tape, and more grip tape and skates. So they really provide you with everything you need. And then in the carrying case itself, we have protective foam, mouse, the dongle, an extra USB dongle, the cable. But yeah, in the end, not much to say. I always loved the Beast X series. Definitely like one of my top 2 mice of all time. And I think if you don't believe me, you just have to try it out for yourself. Speaking of which, I do have a discount code if you want to use that, if you want to try out a Beast X or any of WLmouse's products. I do have a discount code. You can use code sunwoo at the checkout, and you will get a tiny bit off of your order, but it will also be supporting my channel. So if you have any thoughts of getting a WLmouse product, then please use my code. But yeah, of course, because I'm affiliated with them doesn't mean it's gonna change my opinion on their products. I just really love the Beast X. Yeah, I've gotten 4 mice from them. I haven't had any QC issues with any of them. They are just perfect in my opinion. Anyways, that's it. See ya.